Today we are doing financial application of differentiation. The total cost this year of $Y of manufacturing S unit of a product is given by Y equals to 5 over 3x squared plus 40 all over x. You are asked to find the number of units of the article for which the cost of the manufacturer is listed. Now be part the corresponding list costs following that series. You will see that y equals to 5x squared plus 40, as you've seen as part of the solution, is then written as dividing all through by x. You see that here you have 5x all over 3, then plus 40 minus 40x raised over minus 1. So the cost of manufacturing at least is when the ydx equals to 0. Please take note. Okay, so here you have 5x all over 3 equals to 40 equals to minus 40 all over x squared. Now, if you check the LCM here is 3x squared. So 5x, if you cross multiply x squared times 5x, you have 5x cubed. Then you cross multiply 3 times 40, you have 120. Then 3 times x squared, we have 3x squared. That's how was the LCM. Now next, 3x squared times 0 is 0. So what you have finally is 5x cubed equals to 120. Divide both sides by 5. So x cubed equals to 24. Take the cube root of both sides. The cube root of x in this case is 2.884, but you can approximate it to the nearest whole number to be 3 units. So it means that the cost of producing the list in terms of units is 3. Be a part of it. The corresponding list cost. Don't forget if A part of it was for unit cost of it, for unit of it produced. So for B, you are talking about the unit cost, the real cost. Knowing that the unit produced is 3, you substitute that 3 squared is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. That is 15 you see on the screen. Then where you say x all over 40 all over x, 40 x is 3. So you have 13.33. So in all, you will have the least cost when producing 3 units to be $28.33. That is the solution, a live business application. That is why I would like you to pay attention to each of the lessons you watch, each of the videos, mass video classes you watch on my YouTube channel, and you will also do well to give me feedback on where you don't understand. I will see you in the next video. Simultaneous equation in exponential form. Solve the equation you are given. 27 raised to power x plus y equals to 243. Next line of the equation, 8x minus y equals to 128. Note that 27 is x times x times x. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3. Now 243 is 3 raised to power 5. Now, so what is common there as the base is 5. This 3, you cross off the 3, then 3 times x is 3x, so you have 3x plus 3y equals to 5. Then the other part of it, 2 and 2 are common here. Here you have 1 to 7, 1 to 8. Okay, so simultaneously you add equation 2 to equation 1. So 6x is equals to 12. Divide both sides by 6, x equals to 2. Now you follow it up again. You substitute the value of x into the original equation of 3x plus 3y equals to 5. That is from equation 1. Okay. So you will see that here you have 6. That 6 will cross over like collection of like terms. So 5 minus 6. You have minus 1, so divide both sides by 3. So y equals to 1 over 3. So you can say that y equals to minus 1 over 3 and x is 2. X is 2 and y equals to minus 1 over 3. Please, if this is your first time watching videos, math videos on my channel, please do well to subscribe, as I will see you in the next video. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Welcome to alternative formula again. Looking at simultaneous equation in exponential form, you see how we have solved many questions. The essence of it all is to see how you get it right, but don't always forget to email us on any of the points you feel you don't understand. Okay, number 1. You are given 27x plus y equals to 243. Next line, 8 raised to power x minus y equals to 128. Please note that 27 is 3 raised to power 3 and 243 is 3 raised to power 5. The idea here is that the base is the same. Okay. Next line, you see that 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 raised to power 4. Then 128 is 2 raised to power 7. So following that analysis, you see that when the base is common here, you are advised to cross off 3. So you have 3 times x, then 3 plus 3 times x plus 3 times y. So you have in the first line of the equation 1, you have 3x plus 3y equals to 5. That's equation 1. Then you go down again. 2 is common base here, so you tear them, you cancel them off. So here you have 3 times x, 3x, then 3 times y. So you have 3x plus minus 3y equals to 7. That is equation 2. So you add equation 1 to equation 2 to equation 1, or you can add equation 1 to equation 2. The idea is this, so that you can have the value of x, and then so 3x plus 3x equals to then minus 3y plus 3y give you 0. So as such, you have eliminated y totally, and then you solve. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So divide both sides by 6. So x equals to 2. So you have to go back to any of the equation, but I choose from equation 1 here. And I said 3x plus 3y equals to 5, where x is equals to 2. So you will see that, yeah, you collect like terms. You have 3y equals to 5 minus 6. So give you minus 1, divide both sides by 3. Okay, that's that. Next line, you are asked to solve 2 raised to power the root of x equals to x raised to power 8 raised to power x. Don't forget as int that 8 give you 2 raised to power 3. So you cross the common base. Now, yeah, downside of it, okay, you have x equals to 3x. Now, for you to remove the square root, you have to square both sides. Okay, so 3 square is 9, x square is still x square. Okay, if you square x, you have x square. Okay, so at this point, divide both sides by x. So you see that x divided by x is 1, Then 9x squared divided by x is 9x. So divide both sides again at this point by 9 to get the value of x. Please do well to subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Do well to also share our video for others to benefit. See you in the next video. Thank you.